This is a message for a Cyber Sangha community, and recently we have been putting out a lot of teachings on internet, such as like a YouTube and Facebook, and also webcasts, live webcasts. We have been doing regularly, and particularly we are very happy that last week on 23rd of March 2013 we have put out a major webcast in 9 languages, more than 28 countries, and also people, Sangha from internationally, very involved. We have probably 25-30 people very involved in this, making this thing happen. So I'm very happy to do this, giving my time, energy, sharing my little knowledge that I have with the teaching and little experiences that I have. I'm willing to share more and more online. Particularly in the webcast, the quality of it came out really well. And so what I'm asking everybody to support me here to do this, it will be anytime when we put out something on my Facebook page, the information about the next webcast teaching. I want everybody to very engage and do your part of a social network, letting all your friends know, families know, people who are not able to travel, people who don't have financial difficulties, people who are, whatever reason they cannot have access to the teaching. I think nowadays almost everybody has internet access, so you please let them know. And this is also a beautiful ways to friends to come together and share some time with the practices and learning for free. And it's also for I encourage very much for our own Ligmecha International Sangha to this really like a platform that you can all come together as a practice group, a good reason to come together, do a practice, listen to the teaching, and connect with each other. And whatever local things that you are doing, this is a good time when people come together to talk and share. And also I wanted to say that, all the Ligmecha in different countries, I strongly encourage all the board members and all the coordinators, so please do put much more effort and energy and dedication in these teachings, because this is, I think, a very unique way for all of us international Sangha to collaborate together, work a project on together, and which benefits much more than our own circle of people. This is my dream, that it's not that everybody who participate that is part of Ligmecha, but it's a part of bigger Cyber Sangha, so that it's from any spiritual tradition, from any background, so it's for everybody. So I wanted to create a Cyber Sangha, energy of the Cyber Sangha, regardless of what tradition, what background you are from. It does not matter. We can all create this vast, a very vast, living far away from each other, but feeling so close to each other through this sacred space of cyber. So cyber sacred space, I think we can come close, we can work together, we can share, and I hope to also bring more other teachers to do the same thing with me. So this will be ongoing thing. I want everybody's collaboration and support. Thank you very much. And of course, you can visit the ligmicha.org or 3doors.org. Thank you.